There was so much competitors at the time.
Yeah.
But because there were so many, you didn't always clash with them because you couldn't to get together.
Right.
There's some lot of songs out there now, even though we come from the same era, we didn't play with them.
Right.
Because they was doing something else and we was doing something else, and we are on different paths. But the song was the songs they must act around at the same time.
Yeah.
But they was just doing different things. But clashing, a lot of songs tried to clash with Messiah Square.
Yeah.
A lot of them did. And we never went out looking for clash. We wasn't really a clash song. It was more of an entertaining song. But if a clash came to us,
We never run
we
away.
never really last long.
Yes, right.
It didn't really last long. And even when sometimes we forget, we never dub box. We're on the dub plate. And our son say, you know something, Squire, we're gonna kill you now. and everything, we're not playing no more dub, no more 45, everything is strictly dub plate. And we used to say, listen,